I just received a new package. This is the Amazefit Bip, which I bought from Amazon on their sale. I got it for a price of 4,200 approximately after the sale discount as well as an SBI discount. Its MRP is 7,000 rupees. It looks real nice, the packaging. And there are some features at the back. The main reason I bought this band or fitness watch is for the GPS. It also shows notifications, has a heart rate sensor, and it uses a transflective display, as a result of which it gives excellent battery life. Let's get right onto it. There's another box inside. It says Amazfit, and there we go, the watch itself. It looks just like the Apple Watch with the crown at the side. There's a nice strap and a heart rate sensor behind. We'll keep that aside for the moment and see what else is in the box. Here we have a charging dock with USB Type A on the other side and 2-pin connectors, which mostly would match these 2 pins. And a little bit of paperwork is also there inside the box. Let's try booting up the device itself. It has a small screen protector attached. Okay. It's asking to be paired. So I'll do that. As soon as I booted the device, it asked to be paired with the Mi Fit app. I did that. Then it did certain settings and certain basic processes were done to initialize the watch. After that, it asked for updating the device. That's what it's doing now. It's updating the device. Screen is really good, especially when pointed towards the sunlight. Towards light, it performs better. See, so in outdoor conditions this watch will really perform very well. On the box it shows model name as A1608, Amazefit Bip, battery capacity 200 mAh. Package consists of the Amazfit Bip itself, charging dock and user manual. It shows an IP68 water and dust resistance and supports Bluetooth 4.0, and it can run on Android 4.4 or iOS. You can see the time, the day. To go to the menu, we click the crown and then you can swipe left for status. It will give number of steps, heart rate, distance. To go back you just swipe left to right and then you can move to outdoor running. These are the activities that are available: treadmill, cycling, walking, and the history, and then you have a setting. To go back to the, you can directly click on the crown. Weather, this is the weather. So you get weather, I think, for 7 days. Then this is an additional feature. Alarms, I don't think you can set alarms here, but if they exist, you can either switch them off or switch them on or switch them off. Then the timer, you have a stopwatch or a countdown timer, a compass. This requires a setup. Okay, I've set up the compass. And these are the other sensors. You have altitude and pressure. In the settings, you can change the watch faces. These are the predefined faces that are available. This is what actually comes when the device boots. And there are few faces that are already present in the watch itself, and you can add a number of them through the app, and also supports third-party softwares. Now you can adjust brightness levels. Find device is to find the phone. About device speaker, we get the firmware version and the Bluetooth address. That's pretty much it. I'll give you a review very soon after I test it. Also, it comes with a Gorilla Glass screen protection, but to be even safer, I bought a tempered glass from Amazon. Oh, imagine, they gave me two screen protectors for 149 rupees. And as a nice and first time I've seen, because they've given two screen protectors, they also give two set of wipes. That's actually nice. So thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.